Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and today we're gonna do a video that I love doing. It's gonna be an unboxing from Boxycharm and Boxycharm Premium. Now you guys know that I'm obsessed with subscription boxes. I may even have a problem, but I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for a little bit over 2 years now. I was actually subscribed even from when I was in Colombia. I would pay it and my husband would get it, at that time my boyfriend, and he would just save it for me and I would come back, and when I would come back it was like Christmas for me. We have these two boxes. This one is the Boxycharm Premium and it retails for $35 plus taxes. And this one is the Boxycharm, the base box, which retails for $25 plus taxes. I am so excited to open this. I don't have any makeup because of maybe 3 reasons. One, I have acne, as you can tell, and I just don't wear makeup when I don't have to or I don't want to. 2, I am actually recovering. I got injured at my job. I had to quit my job. My back is in pain, and honestly, like, why should I wear makeup when I'm recovering? You know, like, And then 3, which is probably the most important one, I'm moving tomorrow. Well, actually, we get the keys of the house tomorrow, but then we're gonna start moving things tomorrow, and then the actual moving date is on Saturday. So it's Friday, by the way. So most of my makeup is pretty much in boxes, and if it's not yet, it's gonna be in like a couple of seconds because I have a lot of work to do. But anyways, I'm so excited to open these boxes. And Boxycharm has like a huge thing going on. They had like the Boxy Bash, and they also just were bought by Ipsy, which I love Ipsy. I actually started my whole subscription box with Ipsy. I had an issue with them right now. I bought some add-ons and they charged my card. They got money from my card. They never send them to me. They never mailed them to me. I sent them an email with a confirmation of the order and everything, and they did not get back to me. So, Ipsy, let's open the Boxycharm base. I actually just went ahead and cut it with a knife because I am clumsy, and yeah. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm super disappointed because pretty much everyone and their mother got a Natasha Denona palette this month but me, and I don't see it, so I actually don't even see a palette. I'm gonna show you the products. I have the little card here. I love the theme, the Boxycharm Harvest. Okay, the first thing that I'm super excited is the Benefit Give Me Brow. This was my chosen item. You know how you get to choose one item of the box for you, so I chose this one in number 5, which, well, number 5, there we go. It looks like a 2 upside down, but yeah, number 5. And I actually have this in 3 shades, and I love these things. Now that my highlights are pretty much done and over, I love these things so much. They're amazing and they're super easy to wear. I have the glossier ones, of course, and honestly, like, they're kind of comfortable. I don't like the amount of product that the glossier one comes right off the bat, so I'm super happy with Benefit. Benefit products are amazing, and these retails for $24. Now, the second item, which I think is super gimmicky, is the 111, I don't know how you say it, but 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Is this right here? I've seen it in other boxes. I'm sorry, I don't want to blind you, but I've seen it in other boxes. I've seen it in Ipsy as well. It says it's retail for $135. I don't believe in those things, you know, like, like, is it does really, like, worth that money, and why are you giving it away, you know, for $5? It's a hyaluronic acid aqua booster that increases moisture levels, blah, 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 blah. I honestly don't think I'm going to be using that, but who knows. And then the third one is the Farsali Privé Quench. It's this one right here, if the light actually picks it up. It's a serum. It's a serum that replenishes moisture with unique complex of low and high molecular, blah, blah, blah. Hyaluronic acid, cool. You know that if you use a lot of hyaluronic acid, you're gonna break out, right? And 2 products already that are hyaluronic acid and are skincare. This one is the Half Cake Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. Oh, sorry, I'm holding. I don't know if this is like the part of it or like maybe this one. I've never heard this brand before, but I do love the packaging. Let's see the shades. It's a trio and it retails for $32. Oh, okay. I would for sure wear the shades. I mean, maybe not really like on an everyday basis, but maybe for like to glam up. They're vegan approved, so that's awesome. And the last product, but not the least, okay, or maybe the least, I don't know. It's the Jekka Black. I've never heard that brand in my life. Liquid Corrector 2.0. Now, this one is a liquid corrector. It's oh, okay, it's a color corrector thing, like for your eyes and under, yeah. It's a color corrector for your under eyes, and this one retails for $15. I mean, never heard that brand before, but as a colored person. I have a lot of pigmentation, so it's always good to have some color correctors. I'm actually looking forward to try that one. And that one retails for $15. Come into a box, a total of, I'll insert it here later when I do the math because I lost my math skills. Let's open the Boxycharm Premium. I'm actually excited, but let's just take a little break. I want to talk to you guys about this one right here. This is also another subscription box. It's called Jackie's Chocolate. It's a chocolate subscription box, and they send to your door a monthly array of chocolates. This is amazing. It's actually an online store, and they also have sugar-free treats and bars and chocolate on their online website. I'm going to leave it down below. So they offer a monthly chocolate subscription. They also have a 3-month, a 6-month, and a 12-month subscription of chocolate. They have these amazing team boxes. I love them, honestly. Like, they were my favorite, especially when like the election was going on. I snacked on them like crazy. I only have one left right here, guys. I devoured it. They're so good. Like, chocolate is in my last name. Like, everyone in my family loves chocolate. This is the only one remaining right here that I actually left to eat it with you guys. So I know chocolate, and this chocolate is just amazing. This is actually one of the, if not the most excited I've ever opened. I've ever been opening a subscription box. Oh my god, it's so good. I've got the little leaf that I just devoured. Really good. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave the link of Jackie's Chocolate down below if you wanna check them out. They were kind enough to send me this box, which was amazing because it aided my period. It aided my anxiety during the elections, and it was the best, most amazing gift ever. Thank you so much for sending this to me, and I loved it. Please keep sending me more. But I actually showed it to my husband, like, oh my god, just giving him a hint so he can maybe get me the 1-year subscription box, because I always tell him that he doesn't buy me enough chocolate, and he tells me that he forgets, and because I'm usually the one that does the groceries at home. So like, hey, if it's a subscription box, you don't have to go buy it. You cannot forget, you know what I mean? But, okay. Break time over. Let's continue to the Boxycharm Premium. So, let's continue with the Boxycharm Premium. I also went ahead and opened this. Okay. So, the first thing I see is the palette from Ilamasqua. We actually got to pick. This is the palette that I actually chose. It was between this one or the Smashbox Powder, but I was not very keen on the Smashbox Powder shades. It was like light to medium and then medium to deep. And I'm like, but how about the medium? I'm like, you know, like, I'm not light, I'm not deep. I need like a medium, just medium. But this is the Ilamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. So I'm not a huge fan of the colors. Let me show them to you. They're pretty, they're neutral, but I'm not a very pinky. These colors are not for me. And then all of these ones look pretty much like the same, if you see them right here. So it's not an exciting palette, to be honest, but I just figured it would be better than a powder. So I got this one. At least we have some makeup here because it was looking very skincare in my base box. And now, the second product I see is the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder. And right off the bat, I see we're gonna have issues with this. I don't want to blind you, but it says Fair Light. Let's open that. I don't think that's gonna work with my skin tone. Oh, I like the packaging though. It's pretty cute. But yeah, I mean, it can work. It just, that bronzer is not gonna show in my face. Let's see. Trying to show you, like, this should be the powder and this should be the bronzer. That's gonna be like eyeshadow, like neutral for me. I mean, yeah. And that blush is not, well, I mean, it's pretty, it's just not for my skin tone. And I'm really sad that they don't have a medium. I'm really sad that they don't have a medium option for this, because otherwise it would be amazing. I don't like the Pure palettes that have come with Boxycharm in the previous times. But working at Ulta, I got to talk with this Pure brand representative, and she told me amazing things about the brand, and I do want to try more Pure products. Okay, guys, I feel cheated. By the way, this was, I forgot about that, $50, this palette. And then the Pure palette, which is the blinding palette, was $32, or retail for $32. Now, this is the cosmetics skincare brush set, which retails for $25, and it's just 2 brush sets, one to exfoliate apparently, and the other one is just to apply skincare stuff. More skincare stuff that, I mean, I do love skincare. It's just like, I feel like I have too much skincare that I don't know what to use, and I think that's what's giving me acne, because I'm trying all these products and nothing's working for me, and all this switching back and forth, that's what's giving me acne. I haven't been able to find the right product for me, but they all like need some time to be tried. Oh, so this product is from Grown Optimist. It's a detox. I'm just showing it right. It's a detox night cream, hyaluronic acid, blah blah. More hyaluronic acid. Oh my god, this is $125. I mean, I do want to love this brand just because I love the packaging and how minimalist they are. I mean, this is what I think this is the packaging for Boxycharm though, because in their other packaging I do see that they have like more stuff written in the boxes. But yeah, I'll actually try that another skincare product that I have to try with hyaluronic acid. And then I got this cuticle oil that's $22. Wow, it's from the Lifestyle Co, and it's a natural healing cuticle oil. Honestly, I have a bunch of cuticle oils from Boxycharm that I never use, and maybe that's why my cuticles are so crusty. I do like that this one is a roll-on instead of like an actual polish, so it's easier to just, you know, apply it like this. I don't know how to do my own nails. Last but definitely not least, this is a Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow, and this one retails for $20. I'm actually very excited about this because I know one of the girls that I follow from my hometown. Her name is Sophia. She's a makeup artist who lives in LA, and I love her makeup skills. She loves Dose of Colors. Actually, I think she's partnered with them in some products or something, but she loves Dose of Colors, and I'm actually I'm actually very excited. It has like a little mirror here. I don't want to blind you. I did, sorry. But look at the color. This is a beautiful color. This is something that I wouldn't have gotten myself, but I'm actually very happy that they sent it to me because I love the silvery color. I really want to get like my eyes done so I can actually play with like crazy, look at that. I can play with like crazy eyeshadows like I used to do before. This is a really pretty color. I was expecting more makeup and more like foundation, maybe like a concealer, maybe like something more exciting, not like a cuticle oil. Since I'm gonna do a full face, like I actually was intended to. I even had like my full mirror here. I hope you like these videos. I hope next month is gonna be like a more fun video to film, just because I didn't get to do my makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.